Greetings everyone, SYGTECH is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, we're gonna check this interesting landing pad from STARTRC. They was kind enough to send this product for review. They sent quite a lot of products for the past couple of weeks, but they don't pay me to make all these videos. In today's video, we're gonna check this landing pad from Mini 5 Pro, which by the way, I still have here. Amazing drone. Doesn't need introduction, so we're gonna go outside and we're gonna test the landing pad for the Mini 5 Pro. But again, this landing pad will work pretty much everywhere because it's 55 by 55. So if you have Mini 3, Mini 4, Mini 5 Pro, Air 3S, even Mavic series, this landing pad is gonna be great. It's waterproof, it's very easy to clean. Also, it's compact, so we're gonna test it. Without further ado, let's unbox it now and let's see what is in the box. It's going to be a great addition for my setup. It's foldable, it's easy to take with you, and like I mentioned, STARTRC, they sent quite a lot of products for the past couple of weeks. They sent a hard case, which is amazing. I already did a video, so I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below. Anything else in the box? No, nothing. That's pretty cool. So the landing pad comes in this carrying pouch, which is nice. Also, if I'm not wrong, we should have the nails here. Yes, you heard me right. We have nails. And the reason we have nails is because you can, I'll show you when we go outside. This landing pad should work pretty much on every surfaces. And in the past, I bought some very cheap landing pads and they're not good, if I'm honest with you, because the drone, basically when the drone tries to land, the landing pad just goes everywhere, especially if there's a wind. It's not a great thing to do. So we have 4 nails, as you can see. The only thing I will suggest is, yeah, they're quite long. Actually, this is pretty good. So 4 nails. I wish they included maybe an extra one if for some reason you lose one of the nails. But yeah, that's a minor thing. So I'm going to leave the nails here on the side. And now let's check this interesting landing pad. As you can see, we have all this paper wrap, which is very nice. I do like the color, which is very good. Okay, so now let me leave the paper wrap on the side and let's unfold this landing pad. Wow, that's pretty cool. Actually, whoa, it's quite large. Let me remove this paper as well. Okay, so you can use it pretty much. Wow, yeah, that's very nice. Like I mentioned, it's 55 by 55. It's blue, pretty cool. Actually, let me remove the back. And as you can see, it's foldable, so you can fold it, just put it in your bag, which again, this is pretty cool. Like I mentioned, yeah, this landing pad, it's fantastic. I do like the blue color, STARTRC logo. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this landing pad is going to work with pretty much all the Mini series, even Max series. So let me demonstrate. So you can see the Mini 5 Pro is in the middle. Even if you have the Air 3S, it's going to be fine. Even the Mavic 4 Pro, which Mavic Morpho is quite big, massive drone. Perfect. I like it. So pretty cool. Let's go outside now and let's test it. And also, I really want to try the nails here. So what you do, basically, you take one nail and you just stick that in the ground, obviously. Grass, mud, we're gonna test that. Also, like I mentioned, it's very easy to clean. It's waterproof and it's gonna be perfect. Now, let's go outside, guys. Okay, so let's take it from the bag and let's unfold it here. It's gonna be better. Perfect. So as you can see, we have a concrete here. Now, this is a pro tip. Make sure to get yourself a bag, Ziploc bag or any type of bag. So after you finish with your droning, make sure to put all the nails inside, because obviously you're gonna have dirt, they're gonna be wet. You don't want to put that in your bag. So that's a very cool pro tip for you. Yeah, that's a pretty cool thing now. So as you can see, the Mini 5 Pro with the landing pad looks pretty cool. I do like this blue color, and I think the blue color stands out very nice from far away. So as you can see, especially if you're in an environment that, let's say, if it's dark, yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's switch on the Mini 5 Pro. And let's take off. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I do like it. I like it. And again, I know this is a very simple thing. It's a landing pad, but I believe you should invest in a very good landing pad, because you don't want something cheap, something that it's not great. Pretty cool. Let's take off.
Take off.
As you can see, it's very nice. I don't know if you can hear on the microphone, but after the last update, now the drone makes different sounds when the drone is close to the obstacle, as you can see. Yeah, pretty cool. So let me know, what do you think? The landing pad is very good. I like it. Very nice. Again, you don't need to use the nails, because the landing pad is on the concrete, as you can see. We're gonna use the nails in a second when we move to the grass. Perfect. That's perfect landing. Now let's take the landing pad and let's move to the grass, as you can see. And now we're gonna need our nails. So we have 4 nails. So let's take the first one. Boom. Second one. Nice. I think this one is not done properly. Perfect. Let's take third one. And the last one. So as you can see, this is how you use the nails. If you use like a different surfaces, grass, that's pretty cool. Now let's take off. Perfect. As you can see, that's even better. Really nice. Obviously the landing pad doesn't go anywhere because we use the nails. Perfect. Perfect. So there we have it, guys. STARTRC landing pad. Link in the description is down below. STARTRC, thank you for staying on this product for review again. And if you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.